Was the first Apple computer made in 1984? Is our movie at 4 p.m? Is Indonesia's Independence Day on the 17th of August? These sentences are examples of using at, in and on with time. We use in front of months, years, centuries. For example, television was made available to the public in the late 1920s. We use on for days and dates. So, we can say, on July the 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong became the first man ever to step on the surface of the moon. We use at in front of precise time of the day. 3 monkeys escaped from the zoo at 3 p.m. today. These are some of the ways we can use on, in and at with times. So, why don't you try to make sentences using on, in and at down in the comment section, and we'll check if you're correct.